Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. So we are going to do some fun neon zebra print nails, I guess is what they're considered. We're going to use these neon colors from Born Pretty. I will have them linked in the description. They do come in a big set for like 20, I think last I looked it was $26.99, which for like, I think it's 30 something dips. I could be wrong on that. But like I said, I'll link it. But it's a really good price and the dips are really good quality. I am going to use my Revel sensitive liquids. And also I'm only going to show the first layer. I did record both layers and I originally had it in, but it's just so repetitive. And then the nail art, because it's the same on every nail except with a different color on top, it's just, I thought it was just too repetitive. So on the first layer, I do go like almost all the way on the entire nail, but I leave a tiny little gap at the cuticle area. I think you can kind of see that in this picture or this portion of the video right here where I don't go all the way back. And I just do that to like get down on the bulk. Especially on shorter nails, but I've been really liking doing it on all the lengths. So, or I meant, sorry, I think I meant especially on longer nails. I don't know what I meant. I'm a hot mess. That's just the way it is. I also accidentally, forgot to hit record. I had to get up and grab something, so I pushed pause, and then when I came back, I did my pink nail, which is going to be the one after this, and I forgot to hit record. So, that one's not in here, but I did do it. So 2 layers. Then I'll clear cap and then I'll activate and then we'll get into the fun nail art. I do want to say in advance that this is a out of frame video, like a lot of it. I mean, I try to only put the bits in the video that are in frame, but even the ones that are, I mean, like you can see, I'm off to the left. So I was messing with my settings before I started doing this video because I can't stand that when I do nail art, it like everything goes out of focus. So I was trying to mess with the settings to see if I could fix that. I thought everything was where I wanted it to be. And from my view, when I'm looking into the camera, I can see this whole like open space, but apparently it was only recording like a little square of it. I'm going to have to mess with the settings again and figure out what I did wrong, so that the next video is more bigger, yeah, something like that. Anyway, so we activated, we filed and buffed. I filed and buffed off camera. I don't know why I'm saying we, it's only me here and my dogs, and I don't think they're doing anything to do with my nails. So and now I'm just getting into the nail art. And yeah, I mean, I'm sorry. Like this is, I thought about not even posting this because it's so frustrating that I'm so far to the left that you can barely see what I'm doing. But this is pretty simple nail art. I originally was going to do like flames and then color them with the pigments. I did cure that for 30 seconds, by the way, before I go in with the green on top. You don't want to put the green on top of non-cured gel because then it's just going to smudge everywhere. So it is cured, and I think these came out super cool. So I was going to do the flame nail art, and I tried and I tried and I tried, and you know, there's just some things that I cannot do. I think a lot of it has to do with that I'm using a liner brush, and it's fairly thin gel polish. I think that to do that I need like a thicker consistency, or like those gel paints that come in pots. I don't have any of that stuff right now. The more I play with gel, the more likely I will get something like that. But for right now, I'm using what I already have. So this worked. I had to kind of regroup and think, okay, what else can I do that kind of gives me what I'm going for? My objective. Sorry, my objective was to do some kind of nail art on top of the nail and then use the pigments to color it and make every nail like 2 different neon colors. And I almost did flowers, and then I was like, okay, how many flower nails are you going to show everyone? Like, all you do is flowers, because I'm obsessed with flowers. There's no denying that. I really love flowers. In fact, the set on my other hand that you're going to see at the end, I did draw hibiscus flowers on that hand, and I was actually really happy how they turned out. The last time I did that, I used acrylic paint and they didn't turn out as good. So they're not perfect by any means. No, well, no nail art is. Like, I mean, there's really, really amazing, and then there's good, and then there's, well, I need to practice more. I'm definitely at that stage. I need to practice more. This is so simple that, and because it's always going to look different no matter what. I mean, this is as good as it gets. Like, in my opinion, I don't think that with something like this, you can really do it wrong. It's supposed to look different on every nail, and every tech is, or every nail artist. I'm not going to say nail technician because I'm not, but every nail artist is going to do it slightly different. So with that being said, when I decided, no, we're not doing flowers, I was like, oh, I just did a set like this, except I did it like the long way and I did it with chrome and I didn't end up liking it. So I took pictures and then I deleted them. But I kind of thought this would actually be really good for this set because it's really fun. And then the neon, like, I just thought it would look really good. So I kind of am glad I went this route, but I do really want to figure out how to draw the darn flames. But like I said, until I get a thicker like gel paint, like in the gel pots, which I don't know when that will be because I use my money very sparingly. I try to only buy things I absolutely 100% need in order to do nails, period, and not want. Maybe if I ever make it over that 1,000 mark, I can buy cool stuff like that and show you guys how to use it while I'm learning how to use it. That sounds fun, right? Yeah, I thought so. Anyway, we are on the pink nail. This is the one that I did not show you guys me dipping because I accidentally didn't hit record. It's like sometimes if anything's going to go wrong, everything goes wrong. And then sometimes everything goes right. And then I just end up not liking the set or something like that. My motto that I try to live by is post it anyway. Like, okay, the video is not perfect. You don't like the nail set. This went wrong. This went wrong. It took you much longer than you thought it was going to, or whatever. Like, or that's not what I saw happening in my head that actually happened. It doesn't matter. Like, I'm really just trying to stop being so critical on myself and just post it anyway. This is a little more of a technical issue, but I'm trying to like stay up on my videos twice a week, every week, because I know once I have my surgery, I'm going to miss. It's going to happen. I'm not far enough ahead to, and maybe I'll try. I mean, that is going to be a goal, like to get ahead, but I mean, I only have so much storage space on my phone. That's another problem. I'm still using my phone to record videos, which I don't really mind. In fact, I'm a little scared to do it any other way because I do everything on my phone, edit, upload, everything. I don't quite know how to do it on a computer, but at some point I'm probably going to have to figure that out if I want to get higher quality, get more views, and, actually become a bigger channel than just wah wah. I feel like I'm doing decent enough that people enjoy watching, but my last like 4 videos are very low in views. My subscribers are going up, which thank you everyone that has subscribed. I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It helps me a ton. If you're already a subscriber and you're watching, please like the video. It's one little click and it helps me so much and I am so grateful. In all honesty, the like thing never made much sense to me because I watch videos while I'm doing my nails, except when I'm recording. So, I mean, I do a lot of nails that I don't record and I watch the videos and sometimes they don't make it to the end. It really depends on how much talking versus how much music is being played. Because I'm doing my nails, I'm doing something. I'd rather listen to someone. I don't have a desire to listen to YouTube music. It's just, if I want to listen to music, I'm going to throw on Pandora. So, but regardless of whether I back out of the video and only watch the first 5 minutes or I watch the whole video, I always hit the like button. I try so hard to be supportive of every person's video that I watch, even if I didn't like relate to the nail content. Like they're doing stuff that I would never do because this is just not my aesthetic. I don't care. I'm going to support that person. So it's not just me. Like, I mean, I feel like my likes are super low and it sometimes is a little discouraging. It makes me feel a little bit like, but I am doing this for fun. So it's like, whatever. But even like on bigger YouTubers videos, you know, they've got, let's say 6,000 views and like 120 likes. It's like, why? Why? It's the easiest thing to do. Unless, I guess, if you're watching on TV, because like we watch in the evening, me and my fiance will watch like shorts or like videos that we like to watch. We really like to watch homesteader channels. It's like our favorite thing to do because that's what we would like to do eventually is homestead. And it's a little trickier to like. It's easier to back out of the video and go to the next. So I guess I kind of get that, but are that many people watching on TV versus their phone? I don't know. I guess that would be a question for you guys to answer. But again, the likes is what helps. Over anything else, the likes is what helps a YouTuber. So if you want to support a YouTuber, hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when they post their next video. I always post on Tuesday and Friday. I don't have a time. I do try to get the video up by like 9 in the morning, but that doesn't always happen. Like right now, I'm doing my voiceover and it's 9:50. So there's that. Anyway, I base coated, I matte top coated. I've got the nails on both hands. I did just apply these with sticky tabs and then I'm going to pop them right back off. So this is literally just for YouTube. I am using the scent Mountain Rain from Nailzinacoffin. Speaking of Nailzinacoffin, I got my bundle for August, and that is going to be my video for Friday. I can't wait. I'm going to do the unboxing, pick out what I'm going to wear, try to find some colors to wear with it, and that's what we're going to do. But I am going to do things a little bit different than I have in the past. So I highly recommend you tune into that video. I have blabbered and blabbered and blabbered, and I apologize. So putting the cuticle on, I always put it under my nails too. I want to rehydrate under there, even though my nails have been in gloves for like the last 30, 45 minutes. But it's just really good to also put cuticle and oil under there. I usually don't leave that in the video, but I decided what the heck with this one. So we're going to rub that all in, and then I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it, and I'm going to go over all the nails. I can't remember if I leave this in the video or not, but I am going to do that on both hands because I matte top coated both hands, and I want you guys to see the full matte effect. So there we go. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, even though I was a little off camera. Have a beautiful day. Bye.